This 2014 Forest River Georgetown XL 378TS is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 2, external shower, smoke detector, TV, LP detector, self-contained, TV antenna, slide-out, water heater, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2014 Forest River Georgetown XL 378TS is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.